Here's a quick unboxing of the media mod for your GoPro 8. This is the box here that it comes in. You can take a look right there. And looks like we have some pamphlets here. We also have a screw here, as well as a mount, and the actual media mod. It's right here. And you can see we have the mic here. Now what's cool is you can actually use, you can set it where you can use the front mic or the back mic. Okay, of course you also have a shoe mount here where you can actually go ahead and put your favorite mic on there. And it does come with a 3.5 millimeter jack, which is right here. And you have a USB type C here. And the great thing is you have the micro HDMI here. The GoPro Hero 5 and 6 and 7 already have the micro. But the GoPro 8, it doesn't come with the micro HDMI. It just only has the USB type C. Anyway, so you have the micro USB on here. So now, a lot of people were asking, like, how do you relay this or mirror this onto an external monitor or TV, anything like that? Now you can go ahead and use one of these micro HDMI to HDMI cables, plug it into your external monitor or TV or whatnot, and now you can go ahead and live view or basically mirror everything onto the monitor. And again, you can see the shutter button up here. We have the mode button here, and you have your USB-C here plug that we got to put into the GoPro here, and give you a better look here. If you want to go ahead and open this, we got to go ahead and pop this, slide this down like this. See, this come down, and then grab this part and just swing it upward like that. And I'll grab my GoPro Hero 8 here. You got to take off the battery door here, so you can just pop that out and just pull that out. Easy to pop back on too. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and line it up. The USB Type-C, the USB Type-C on here, and it's going to line up just like that. So we're going to go ahead and slide this in, make sure it hits that USB Type-C, and go ahead and press in a little bit. Just like that. I had to kind of play with it to kind of get it in there, but it looks like it's nice and flush. Now we can go ahead and close this up. You can see how this looks right here. I'll go ahead and fire this on. And I didn't realize this, but it's actually two shoe mounts. You got one here on the top, and you got one here on the side as well. Okay, I was wondering why I couldn't do anything with this on here, even though I went to input output. It just showed what it showed without the media mod on here. It doesn't have nothing in the audio input. But I just realized the first thing you got to do is go ahead, there's an update for it. Enables media mod compatibility. Okay, so go ahead and go to your app and update. And we can see that it is currently updating here. Okay, so it's finally done. Let me click on done here, and you can see here it says media mod is connected. And now let's go to the media input output and see if that mod is actually in there. Here's input output. We'll tap on that, and it says, yep, it says media mod right there, so you can see. Now if we go into the video settings here, if I tap down here on standard, oops, tap that on there, and we keep it on standard. Let me tap on there, and we can see the new settings in here. And we should be able to change the direction of the mic as well in here somewhere. Let's see here. See the bit rate. Oh wow, what do you know? It's right here. Mics. So let me tap on that. So you can use the front mic here. You can see right there it says front, or we can do the back. And what's this one here? Stereo. Okay, we'll actually keep this one on the back here. Anyways, this is just a quick unboxing. I'll go ahead and test this out probably later on tomorrow.